Hello everyone, welcome back to Craft Jenny. In this video, I'm going to make this beautiful wall hanger with paper. Okay, first I'm going to make the flowers. I got a square, dimensions as 4 cm to cut the flowers. Now we can fold the paper and cut a petal shape as I'm doing here. Now I'm going to press the petals like this to get a 3D look to the flower. We need to make more flowers like this with these steps. And now I'm cutting some leaves. And for the next step, we need a thread like this. And now we can glue the flowers and the leaves we cut to the thread like this. Okay, for the next step, we need a box. And we have to cover it with a matching color. We are sharing many kinds of crafting tutorials in our YouTube channel. So subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more videos like this. Now we can paste these threads. And as the final step, we can cover the middle part with the flowers and the leaves we cut. Hope you enjoyed our video. Give a like, comment and share with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for more videos like this.